Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I will show how to highlight text in Notion. So there are a few ways, a few approaches how to highlight text in Notion, and let's start with the simplest one. Let's say we have this sample text and you would like to highlight the word sample with some color, so just highlight it with mouse first. And this formatting toolbar will appear, and here go to text color button, and let's choose a background color we would like to apply to this text. Let's apply orange, for example, and you see this text is highlighted in orange. So this is the simplest way. Let's also discuss a few other ways. You can also use commands to highlight text in Notion. So for example, /color, and here you can choose background color, and you see the cell is filled with green, and we can type any text now in this green cell. And by the way, now we can also use short keys or shortcuts. Let's say we want to highlight this text, we can just use Ctrl Shift H, and you see the text is also highlighted in green. So I believe it highlights the text. I mean, this key combination highlights the text with the latest background color that we chose. Yeah, this is, as I said, Ctrl Shift H on Windows, and I believe CMD Shift H on Mac. Yes, and another little bit sophisticated and alternative option to highlight the text. Yeah, by the way, you can also highlight fill with the color the whole block. Like, just go to the side of the block, click on this 6-dot icon, and choose color, background color, for example blue, and this is also highlighted, as you see. Yeah, and the last more sophisticated thing, how we can highlight the text or whatever is we would like to highlight. This is using callouts. Again, the command is /callout, and here with callout we can choose the color of the callout that we would like to use. Yes, I believe that's it for this particular video. These are the options how you can highlight text in Notion. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.